It's Tuesday, October 4th. We're here on the new Tennessee homestead. Dawn's just gone and picked up, how much water did you pick up this time around?
200 gallons.
200 gallons of water in a tote, and ignore the dog for now. We've got a couple of totes here, and this is going to be our, this is all potable water. We basically get this locally and then we're just pumping it in. So how does this rig work, Dawn?
Well, IBC tote, which is strapped into the truck so it doesn't move.
Yep.
I bought a transfer pump from Harbor Freight. It comes with a short green hose, which is what I'm using as my draw line.
Not sure if you can see that up there. I'm just holding that up as high as I can, but
yeah. This one is, this particular pump is built to hook onto a 12-volt battery, so we've got it hooked up to the truck's battery in the engine compartment. Daisy chained with a couple of jumper cables to make it reach. You know, necessity is the mother of invention. So we're pumping the water out of the truck into the storage tote over there, and when we need to refill the freshwater tank in the RV, we'll switch it and pump it out of that tote into the RV.
Makes sense. So our fifth wheel holds 45 gallons. We haven't moved to rainwater collection yet. That's something that'll be coming up. So for now, this is
Once
just...
the new building gets here, we can start catching water.
True that. True that. Well, once it rains as well.
That too.
The weather here is too nice at the moment. But but for now, this allows us to basically fill our two storage totes, IBC totes. These have all been cleaned out, by the way, sanitized and stuff. And
they were originally used to hold glucose.
Right.
So make sure when you get your IBC totes that they were used for food products and not chemicals.
Makes sense. Chemicals, you don't know what you're going to be ingesting, so. And you can see that that's pretty effective. If you're watching the video, that line was actually above the middle just like a minute or so ago, not even that. So it's definitely coming down pretty quick.
When it was full, when I got here, it was here.
All right.
And now it's down here.
So how long did it take to put 200 gallons in that?
Less than 45 minutes. It's depending on the water pressure of the place you're filling though.
Makes sense. Okay. So yeah, we're kind of lucky in that our local church up the road has potable water, and the locals here just basically bring their totes in and fill up, and I guess they do probably something similar and take it away and what have you. Our longer term goals are to go with rainwater catchment and use that as a supplement. But you know, it's good to have a, you know, 2 is better than 1 is better than none scenario. And it's pretty efficient. I mean, this thing really goes. You can already see that is actually down below that middle line. That's really honking it. So that's all pretty cool. So yeah, so water problem, not really a problem. And again, this is all potable water. We'll still filter this out. Yeah, this is water that we use for showering and just general.
Potable. It's not exactly tasty, but that's what the water filter inside's for.
Exactly. Yeah. So you know, you still have to do extras on top of this if you don't like that taste. But I don't really care. But other people's mileages may have vary. But now it's pretty efficient and it's doing its thing. So running the cable. This is a freshwater hose. Just pick it up from any of your RV stores. I think it's a Camco if I remember right. And it just kind of goes in the top there, and we'll just cap it off later and when it's full. And this one over here at the moment is actually empty, so we've got a lot of fills to do. But we were just talking, you know, this is the sort of thing you don't really need to do. I mean, you don't have to go and, oh my God, I've got to fill up my IBC totes and roll from there. You just basically need to make sure you have enough to do what you need to do. Yes, Kira. Is that the possum that's been agitating you? our Labrador, learning about the local wildlife or something. She's asserting her authority. But yeah, you don't have to go and, you know, fill up and then go, you know, I have all the water in the world, because you still have to consider how much you're actually using, and bear that in mind.
Maybe showers help to spread a little longer.
Yeah, true that. So I mean, our fifth wheel has a 6-gallon water heater. So every time we take a shower, you know, it's gas powered, propane powered. So, you know, 2 of us will pretty much jump in one after another, and you know, we do the Navy showers. And for those who don't know what a Navy shower is, and hopefully you do, but if you don't, here you go. It's pretty much turn it on, rinse yourself down, turn it off, suds up, and then rinse off, kind of thing. I mean, you still end up clean, you just don't use an awful lot of water. It's just how it works. Gone are the days of those, oh my god, I'm going to use all the hot water in the hot water tank and no one is going to stop me.
If I recall, a true Navy shower is supposed to be like under 3 minutes or something, but you know, there's limited water on a Navy ship, so.
Fair. Yeah, and probably salt water baths as well will be the order of the day, but no, it's good, and this thing is working really efficiently. So yeah, great, fantastic. So that is pretty much how we are getting, for now, our potable water through. We're putting into storage, and we're taking it from there. If you're wondering what we're going to do for gardening and things further down the line, well, that's where the rainwater catchment comes in, and no doubt we'll be getting some more totes specifically for that, and ponds and stuff. But hey, you know, this is only day 4 or day 5 or something. So
yeah,
you know, miracles.
We haven't been here a full week yet, so
yeah, miracles take a little while. So it's all good. Awesome. Thank you, Dawn.
You're welcome. Catch you later. Like and subscribe, please. Thank you.
It's the YouTube way. Blah.